A lot of clients ask me if they need to go for medical treatment before they come to us. And the answer is, it depends. It depends on what's happened to you, because we tell clients, we want to treat you for the injuries that you have. We're not telling you to go get medical treatment that you don't need, but we also don't know what's happened to you before you come to us. So if you've been hurt and you don't feel well, the short answer is go to the doctor. Go to an urgent care, go to your primary care physician. If you're hurt enough, go to the emergency room, because insurance companies don't care how you say you feel. They don't. They care what you can show. And the only way to show that you're hurt is to document it. And the most straightforward way to document your injuries is through a medical professional. Again, urgent care, primary care, or an ER. If you're familiar with local chiropractors or physical therapists, those are great options, and they're often the first line of medical treatment that we send our clients to, because they're very experienced at looking at what we call soft tissue injuries, right? A strain, a sprain, something going on with one of your limbs or your neck or your back. And so if you're familiar with that kind of medical provider, absolutely go ahead. But if you haven't, it doesn't preclude you from moving forward with your claim. It doesn't prevent you from coming to work with us. We have relationships with doctors across the state and frankly, across the country. And we'd be happy to find someone who will treat you after you've been in an accident, because not every doctor will. There's no hard and fast rule as to when you have to seek medical treatment after an accident. Again, it all depends on the circumstances. It all depends on the types of injuries you're experiencing. You should expect, frankly, that after an accident, you might not feel some of the injuries that'll develop as time goes on. The human body is an amazing thing. Adrenaline kicks in often, and you don't quite realize what kind of aches and pains you might have until hours, sometimes days later. However, once you do realize, you have to do something about it. Because if you don't go treat those injuries, an insurance company isn't going to believe that they exist, because all they want to see is documentation. And the way to document it in the most straightforward way is to go to the doctor. They're familiar with how to identify the types of complaints, the types of injuries, and then it creates a chronology of your pain complaints that relates back to the incident that we are saying is the cause of those complaints. So there isn't a hard and fast rule, but there is a rule that you've got to go to the doctor to document the injuries. Otherwise, the insurance company isn't going to believe that they exist.